Over here in my blog, you can see that there are a couple of posts. There are actually 3 posts, and that is what is being shown right here. If I were to go around over here onto the Blogger settings from my dashboard and go to settings from over here, I can scroll down and see that the max post shown on main page is 7 posts. So if I were to go around over here and change this out to 1 and press save, then what happens is that if I were to go around and refresh this page, then I will only see 1 post right here, as you can see. So now if I were to click on more posts, then only I will be able to see the other posts right here. So it'll show 1 post per page. If I were to go around over here and set the post to, let's say, 2 posts per page right here, then if I were to refresh this, then I'll be able to see more posts. Let me just go around onto the main page itself. And now over here, you can see 1 and 2 posts right here. Click on more posts and then you get to the other post. And since I have no more posts, you can see that I have this. So that is how you can go around and control the number of posts that you have in one page inside of your Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.